Metis Employment and Training is proud to partner with energy sector leaders to offer Manitoba Métis an important new training opportunity. Right now, MET is recruiting province-wide for the new Line 3 pipeline training program.
I wanted to learn something new and gain some good knowledge and experience. All the knowledge that these guys are teaching you, that's the best part for me. And to apply that to a real job.
This 2-week course is offered in a real work camp setting and focuses on essential pipeline skills.
It's a good course. There's a lot of information. There's lots of classroom stuff as well as hands-on stuff outside. So if you're a hands-on kind of learner, it's a really good course for you.
Recruits gain key technical knowledge and transferable skills to continue their career growth in the pipeline industry.
How they run this course is they'll give you a quick idea so that you're not going out there and feeling lost. And when you're doing it, they walk you through step by step and really gets you involved in seeing what you're reading about. It builds confidence for sure. It's just feeling really confident and competent when you're out there. It's a nice experience overall. It's run very well.
Participants also receive industry standard in-class training and certifications, a must-have for any aspiring pipeline worker.
The one thing I'm going to take from this is safety and knowing your surroundings. There's lots of big equipment and heavy pipe, so you got to be watching out for yourself and your teammates. It's a team environment and you got to look out for each other.
Eligible participants must be 18 years of age or older, must identify as Métis, and must be able to pass a drug and alcohol test.
I'm here to learn, to listen, and to build a better future for myself.
This opportunity doesn't come along very often, so you got to take advantage of it. You got to use the resources that are presented through the MMF to take steps in your own life.
Space is limited and time is running out on this career-changing opportunity.
If you're interested in getting into the pipeline industry, come and take this course. Instead of just doing like an online training program, which you don't get any hands-on experience, you come here, they teach you everything that you need to know.
Submit your resume today by email to metresumes@mmf.mb.ca and include Pipeline 101 in the subject line. Or contact Metis Employment and Training directly by calling 204-586-8474.
I feel like just with this training alone, I have a chance to succeed and prosper in this industry, which I really want to do, which is my goal.
Upon completing the course, I'd like to apply and hopefully get a phone call telling me to come to work in August.